Hello and welcome back to the 10-Minute Mind, your space for mastering the biggest ideas in about 10 minutes. You have a passion, a skill, a message you know can help people. You are an expert, but no one is paying you for it. You feel like the world's best-kept secret. What if you could take that knowledge stuck in your head and turn it into a movement and a highly profitable business? Today, we are deconstructing the 5 core secrets from the underground playbook for entrepreneurs. Expert Secrets by Russell Brunson. We won't just summarize, we'll give you the action plan. Russell Brunson argues that you are just one funnel away from changing your life. The problem isn't your product, it's that you don't know how to sell it. Let's deconstruct the 5 secrets to fix that. Secret 1. You must find your submarket. The riches in the niches. You can't be a generalist. If you try to help everyone, you will help no one. The market is too noisy. Don't be a fitness expert. That's a market. Don't even be a keto expert. That's a submarket. You must go deeper. Be the keto expert for busy traveling salesmen. Be the productivity coach for new moms working from home. Practical solution. How do you find this? Use the 5 levels deep exercise. Ask, who do I want to serve? For example, people who want to be productive. Ask why 4 more times. For example, because they are entrepreneurs. Because they are solopreneurs. AFP, because they are solopreneurs who feel overwhelmed. Because they are solopreneurs who feel overwhelmed by marketing technology. Boom. That's your niche. You are now the marketing tech expert for overwhelmed solopreneurs. Secret 2. Create the future-based cause. Sell the transformation, not the product. No one buys a course. No one buys coaching. They buy a transformation. They buy a better version of themselves. Your job as an expert is to paint a vivid picture of their after state. You aren't selling a diet plan. You're selling the energy to play with your kids again. You aren't selling marketing services. You're selling a business that runs itself so you can take a vacation. Practical solution. Create your manifesto. Write 1 page that answers this. Before. What does your customer's life look like right now? What do they feel? For example, stuck, overwhelmed, invisible. After. What will their life look like after your solution? For example, confident, clear, and seen as the go-to authority. That manifesto becomes your marketing message for everything. Secret 3. The Epiphany Bridge, your most important story. This is the most powerful lesson. You cannot logic someone into buying. You must tell them a story. Specifically, your origin story. The Epiphany Bridge is the story of your own aha moment. The moment you discovered the secret you're now teaching. When you tell this story, your audience has the same epiphany you did. They suddenly believe that your solution is the only solution that will work for them. Why? Because you were just like them. Practical solution. Find your Epiphany Bridge story tonight. Answer these prompts. The backstory. What was your life like when you had the same problem as your audience? The wall. What was the moment you hit rock bottom? The aha moment. What did you discover that changed everything? This discovery is your product. The new hope. How did your life change after? You must tell this story in your videos, on your landing page, and in your email. Secret 4. Package your knowledge. The vehicle. Okay, you've found your niche, your message, and your story. Now, what are you actually selling? The book explains you must create a vehicle to deliver your epiphany. This is your product. It could be a simple ebook, a 30-day video course, a high-ticket 6-week coaching program. The price of your product is tied to the certainty of the result. An ebook, $10, gives them the info. A video course, $200, gives them the path. A coaching program, $2,000, gives them the personal guidance and certainty. Practical solution. Start with your signature solution. Don't try to teach everything. Map out the 5 key steps someone must take to get from their before state to their after state. Step 1, mindset. Step 2, niche. Step 3, story. Step 4, system. Step 5, scale. That's it. That is the framework for your first online course. Secret 5, the system that sells for you, the funnel. This is the final, crucial piece. You've found your niche, you have your message, you've crafted your story, you've built your product. How do you put it all together? This is where 99% of people fail. They just post on social media and hope someone buys. Hope is not a strategy. The experts that Russell teaches, they build a system, an automated system that finds customers, tells them the Epiphany bridge story, and presents them with the offer, all on autopilot. This system is called a sales funnel. Instead of a confusing website with 50 different links, a funnel is a series of simple pages that guide your customer step by step. It is the digital version of your best salesperson, working 24/7, painting a picture. Imagine a system that automatically finds people who need your help, builds trust with them, and sells them your product, even while you sleep. Russell Brunson didn't just write the book on this, he built the software that makes it possible. Expert Secrets is the why. ClickFunnels is the how. If you are serious about taking your knowledge and building a real business that delivers value, you need a system to deliver that value. I've put a link in my toolkit page in the description below. It's for a free trial of ClickFunnels, the exact tool the author created to implement all 5 of these secrets. This is how you stop being the best-kept secret and start becoming the expert you were meant to be. Go to my toolkit link in the description to get the tool and build your system. And as always, subscribe for more 10-minute wisdom. See you next time.